After 3.5 years, my wife Judy and I will depart for the United States. It's been an amazing journey for us, through which I have had the chance to get to know many of you, visit many different parts of this beautiful country. My time here has been one of the most unique, challenging, and gratifying experiences of my life. At my age, it was like going to college another time, but filled with the excitement of government, politics, and the beauty that surrounded us. Italy and the United States have a long shared history, shared values, freedom, democracy, human rights, the expression of ideas, and the rule of law. When we stand together, especially in times of crisis, united we face a terrible pandemic, and united we will prevail. We know that our nations are far stronger when we work together towards common goals. We've proved that time and time again, and we will prove it once more as we fight the pandemic. Political partnership, trade, defense, innovation, science, space, culture, exchange programs, all diverse aspects of our cooperation, and it provides us with tremendous potential. Through these years, I have met several times with President Mattarella, a man whom I admire much and whose steady leadership has been instrumental, especially during these times. I have also met with members of government, political parties, unions, business associations, representatives from civil society, intellectuals, scientists, but with all of them, there is an opportunity to exchange views, not to always agree, but always to learn something to take away with us, and a friendship that continues on to this very day. From Milan to Sicily, from Florence to San Marino, from Naples to Sardinia to Marche, I experienced your warm welcome and hospitality, your passion, your expertise, your ideas, taste, your vino, its landscape, and its food. I have visited state-of-the-art plants, innovative facilities, and have seen firsthand our economic cooperation in many sectors. All of these visits have only confirmed what Judy and I have always believed about this beautiful country, that it shines like a light of history, where democracy and the Roman Senate first began, and that today we stand ever stronger, recognizing that democracy has pulled us together and we share those same basic values. I am deeply grateful and moved to have worked side by side with my extraordinary team of American diplomats and our Italian colleagues here at the United States Embassy. I am proud to have been part of this great family and will always harbor great memories from that day I started until the day I depart and after. I'm also proud to turn over leadership of our embassy to my deputy and partner, Tom Smitham. Tom will take over as chargé d'affaires upon my departure. Cari amici, l'Italia e gli italiani rimarranno sempre nel nostro cuore e nei nostri pensieri.
We are deeply grateful for the kindness and affection and friendship extended to us during our time here.
Thank you. Grazie mille. And remember, non è un addio, ma un arrivederci. A presto.
Hugh Heisenberg è un diplomatico nato, ama profondamente il suo paese e allo stesso tempo sa ascoltare, sa guardare e sa apprezzare i tanti colori di quella tela variopinta che è il nostro paese. Una bellissima opera che lui ha saputo amare in questi anni. Grazie Hugh, l'Italia sarà sempre casa tua.